Today we're making a Georgian salad with mixed vegetables, pomegranate, and a walnut dressing. Hi guys, welcome back to your favorite cooking channel. And today we're gonna be making a divine salad. Now, me and my family, we love to go out and try different cuisines of the world. We're fans of Korean food and Thai food and Japanese and Chinese and Georgian food is incredible. They have these beautiful flatbreads with cheese called khachapuri, and they have a beautiful, huge, let's say, dumpling that is usually filled with meat, which is called khmeli. We're fans. And this salad is like a staple of Georgian cuisine. And last time when we were visiting our favorite Georgian restaurant, I finally asked them for the recipe and they were kind enough to share it. And now I have to share it with you because this is amazing. What we'll be using is a variety of, just simple vegetables. We have tomatoes, cucumbers. We're gonna be using a lot of onion and some chili. The chili is optional. The onion definitely isn't. I'm using coriander and parsley, high on the vitamins, but the dressing, that's where it's all at. Instead of olive oil or your usual source of fats, we're just gonna be using walnuts that we're gonna grind down into almost something between a walnut flour and a walnut nut butter. And then we're gonna add the greens and just a little bit, we need some acidity. I'm gonna be using apple cider vinegar. You could use any kind of vinegar that you like, perhaps even, some lemon juice, some lime juice, but we definitely need that. And we're gonna be using spices. Now in Georgia, they have their own blends. And this is called Khmeli-Suneli. You can definitely find it online or maybe at your closest store. Let me read you what Khmeli-Suneli is. It is a blend of ground coriander seeds, celery seeds, dried basil, dill, parsley, blue fenugreek, bay leaf, mint, and marigold. Maybe you can whip up your own Khmeli-Suneli. I have it already ground up for me, and it is vital. I would even say crucial to the salad. And on top, we're gonna add some pomegranate seeds. Now, these guys are packed with vitamins, and I'm gonna show you how I clean my pomegranate today. I think it's the easiest way. First things first, we're gonna slice up the onion and we're gonna bathe it in freezing cold water. And that will kind of remove a little bit of the bite. Let's get chopping. So the onions are cold plunging. I've chopped up the vegetables. As you saw, I like to kind of roughly chop them up into quite large chunks. I'm not one of those that does the fine dice for the salad. Now, let's get talking about the pomegranate. I'm gonna show you how I clean it. If you have any tips or tricks, in the comments below, but this is what I like to do. I take a knife and I score it on top. I just go around carefully the pomegranate, and we just want to remove the top part, this little hat, let's say, and this is how I do it. I kind of just pull, and you see it comes off really, really easily. Now, I'm gonna get a tissue. Now, I don't know the right language, I don't know what this is called, but bear with me. If you look inside the pomegranate, you can kind of see these white lines that score, you see the pomegranate all the way through. Now what we need to do is we need to take a knife and just follow the line. You see, there it goes, the white one. And we just kind of make a small incision all the way down to the bottom. Then you find the next one and you carefully make a small incision. And we're gonna follow up with the rest of the pomegranate. You make as many as you need. And all of the other steps, the following steps, we're gonna do them with the pomegranate submerged in water. Why? Because this guy is extremely juicy. He has a tendency to kind of splash all the juices around, and we don't want to get covered in pomegranate juice. So we're gonna put this bad boy inside. Here we go. Now we're gonna cover him with water. So now that it's underwater, all of the juices that are flying are gonna stay in the water, not on this cute little shirt situation that I'm wearing. Now, come closer. We're gonna open the pomegranate up. And again, make sure to do this with the pomegranate submerged in water. Now we take every single piece of it, we just remove the skin, and we get the seeds out, and we keep them in the water. Okay, I'm almost done here, guys. You see what happens is the seeds, they kind of drop to the bottom of the bowl, and all of the yucky stuff, it comes to the top. So if you come and have a look, all you need to do is just basically scoop all of this up, remove some of the leftover seeds, but it's done. Now, with the pomegranate peel, this might sound a bit insane to you, but I'm very much into zero waste. And some of my friends have mentioned how healthy the skins are. So what I tend to do is I dry them out, and then I boil them, and it becomes this beautiful, potent, very healthy tea. And the seeds themselves, I add to salads. I sprinkle them on top of soups. Now the walnuts and the herbs have just transformed into this beautiful paste. It smells insane. Now the only thing that's left to do is take the onions out of the little ice bath, add them to the vegetables, and mix it all up, plate it up, and then eat. But I'm gonna do it with my hands, because sometimes when you're working with a spoon, you tend to damage the veg, whereas what we wanna do is to get this paste and kind of massage it into the vegetables. Okay, I can't wait to start eating. This is like something you've never tried before. The walnut dressing just adds so much unique flavor. And these spices, you have to try them. Now don't go shy on the onions. After the ice bath, they've become even more crunchy, but they're not that pungent and not so spicy. Can you hear that? And just the fact that we don't dilute the walnuts with any oils, it's so flavorful and nutty. You really have to try this. This is a showstopper. It's a beautiful dish on its own, but it can also be just a wonderful starter or like a side dish to any, chicken or fish. Really good. Try it. I love it. The pomegranate. These little explosions of like a juicy sweet pomegranate. Delightful.